What's up everyone and welcome back to Unbiased Cars. Today we're diving into one of the biggest debates in the automotive world, petrol versus electric. Is it time to ditch the pump for the plug? Or does good old gasoline still have the edge? We're going to break it all down for you, covering everything from performance and cost to convenience and the environment. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk performance. When you think of petrol cars, you might imagine the roar of a V8 engine. That sound is pure emotion for many of us. But don't sleep on EVs. The instant torque they deliver is genuinely mind-blowing. When you press the accelerator in an EV, you get 100% of its power immediately. This results in silent, neck-snapping acceleration that can outperform many traditional sports cars off the line. Petrol cars, especially turbocharged ones, have their own thrill with power building through the rev range. So, do you prefer the raw, mechanical roar or the silent, rocket-like surge? It's a tough call. Now let's talk about something that hits us all in the wallet: the cost. Initially, EVs often have a higher sticker price than their petrol counterparts, although government incentives can help close that gap. But the real story unfolds over time. Imagine never having to visit a gas station again. Charging an EV at home, especially overnight during off-peak hours, is significantly cheaper than filling up a tank with petrol. Plus, the maintenance savings are huge. EVs have far fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust systems to worry about. Over a few years, these savings can really add up, making the total cost of ownership for an EV surprisingly competitive. Of course, what good is a car if you can't go where you want when you want? This brings us to range and refueling. Petrol cars have the clear advantage here. There's a gas station on almost every corner, and filling up takes just a few minutes. This is what we're all used to. EV range has improved dramatically, with many models now offering over 300 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for daily driving and even most road trips. The main difference is planning. For long journeys, you'll need to map out DC fast charging stations, which can take about 20 to 40 minutes to get you back to 80% charge. It's a shift in mindset from quick gas stops to longer breaks, where you might grab a coffee or a meal while your car charges. Finally, let's touch on the driving experience and the environmental aspect. Driving an EV is a uniquely smooth and quiet experience. There's no engine vibration or noise, which makes for a very relaxing cabin environment. It feels futuristic. On the other hand, many drivers love the feedback and connection they feel with a petrol engine. The sound, the vibrations, it's all part of the experience. From an environmental standpoint, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which is a huge win for air quality in our cities. While the electricity source and battery production have their own environmental considerations, the overall life cycle impact is generally lower than that of a petrol car, and it's continuously improving as our power grids get cleaner. So what's the verdict? Petrol or EV? The truth is, there's no single right answer. It depends entirely on your lifestyle. If you do a lot of long-distance driving in areas with limited charging infrastructure, a modern, efficient petrol or hybrid car might still be your best bet. But if you're like most people, with a daily commute and the ability to charge at home, an EV could be a fantastic choice, offering a thrilling drive and lower running costs. The best car is the one that fits your needs. I hope this breakdown helped clear things up for you. What's your take? Are you Team Petrol or Team Electric? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching Unbiased Cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.